And as the final demo for today, Darius, has shown things before, and he always shows different things every time, and that's pretty interesting. So Darius is going to show us a new thing called ActivityFuzz.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Okay, so 9 months, 10 months ago, I showed a thing here at FediForum called the Fediverse Schema Observatory. That is now live at observatory.cyber.harvard.edu. I'm not going to go into it here other than because it's what the next project I'm going to demo is based off of. This collected a bunch of data about the shapes of schemas that float around the ActivityPub universe, the Fediverse. And as someone who builds Fediverse software, I often find myself thinking, man, I wish my software hometown was compatible with Lemmy. And crap, do I have to like go sign up for a Lemmy server somewhere and start and follow an account on the software that I'm developing? Or do I need to like set up my own local Lemmy server? And I realized that if I'm collecting all this data about the shape of data in the universe, then I can also emulate, basically mock the output of different servers. And that's exactly what this does. And so this is not live. I mean, it is live. It's running on my laptop right now. If you try to go to it, please don't stress test it at the moment. It's not available to the public yet. It's pretty fragile still, but essentially it's a piece of software that I run next to whatever I'm developing. I can set a target inbox. In this case, it's going to a dev instance of the hometown software that I maintain. I can change that inbox to any arbitrary URI I would like. And then I can say, I want a Mastodon post with a hashtag. Here we go. Mastodon 4.3 note with hashtag. It mocks up a valid object here with fake data. And I post it. And I go over here and I reload. And there it is, an example Mastodon 4.3 note with the hashtag. It tells me that this text came from object.content. It has a cats hashtag, and I can see that cats is rendered down there. There's lots of different software in here. At the moment, it only pulls software that is annotated currently in the observatory. And by the way, this isn't like through an SaaS type thing. This is like, I just downloaded the SQLite database for the observatory and dropped it straight into here, and that's what's being referred to. So I can go back here and I can say something like send random schemas, and I can say, let's say that Lemmy case here. I'm going to pick Lemmy out of this long list of software, and I'm going to say, give me 5 random Lemmy schemas, and here it is. It just sent an announce page with hashtag and image attachment, announce page with hashtag and blah, 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 blah. I can go over here, reload, and there should be 5 different Lemmy posts here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so it looks like it did at least render all 5 of those, and then I can go through and actually ask myself, did it render it the way I wanted it to, etc. And I can do this for software that I've never even seen or even really know what it is. There's a piece of software called eComic Gallery, which I can pull out. Komi, Komi, eComic Gallery, post with attached media, post to inbox, go here, reload. And, I don't even know what eComic Gallery is, but here it is. Oh, and it looks like it also actually had an in reply to. So I'm going to go back to the observatory here. I'm going to open this up here. I'm going to find eComic Gallery. I know it's here somewhere. Yep. I'm going to hit the filter button. And here it is, eComic Gallery post with attached media. If I go down here, there is an in reply to URI down there. So I'm going to update that to with in reply to. So now the observatory is more accurate as well. And so that's basically it. It's a way to emulate software that you don't run and don't know how it works. And but it's similar to hooking your software up to the live Fediverse, because that's what happens when you talk to the Fediverse is you get messages from software you've never seen before. So